buenos noches, buenos dias. If you want to see how I got this cute little cheerleader ponytail, then keep on watching. I'm not going to ramble on too much. We're going to go straight into it. And yeah, see you in the next scene. Hola! So, here you see me skanking, vibing, catching a little dance to the music. Just gone over my hair with a bit of heat protectant, even though I didn't end up really using any heat, bruh. Anyways, and then in the middle, you just see me parting a small section. I'm actually going to use this section to hook and feed in some hair onto because my hair is really short. It doesn't all make it up into the bun, and in order to wrap the ponytail around, you know, I need some length. So that's what you see me doing with this braiding hair right now. I did cut it, make it a little bit shorter because I don't need my ponytail to be that long now, okay? And once I cut it, I just kind of like tied it or just kind of folded it because it kind of came undone. Now, like I said, I don't have much hair, so I'm just seeing what I'm working with here before I start slicking it. And the product that I do use or did use to slick my hair was the Gummy wax, Gummy Bear. It's like this gummy, I'm gonna link it down below. I can't remember for the life of me what it's called, but that's pretty much all I used and got to be spray. Now here I'm just sectioning out my edges because that gel is so hardening that if you don't do this, you're gonna break them trying to do it later. And I'm just scoping. This part actually takes the longest. I actually did have to get up and use my mirrors that you see behind me to really see the back because it was hard. But once you've scoped and molded it into, you know, the desired height and position that you like, you go ahead and tie that. This part was even a workout. My arms were getting tired, like no lie, I was exhausted. But yeah, that's all I did for this part. You see, I'm happy. Back again with the dancing. Now that I'd finished sculpting and, you know, molding my hair, I literally go in with a bobby pin and the end of the track, loop it around the bobby pin to secure it, and then pin that into my little fake braid. This is because I didn't braid or sew the hair into my ponytail, so I needed it to be secure somehow, some way. And then once that's secure, I just begin to wrap until you can't wrap no more, literally. This method is all right. Like, it actually lasted me a little while. Somebody did decide to pull my hair. Don't know why they decided to do that. So it kind of messed up my hairstyle. I don't know how long it would have lasted if, you know, Mr. Man didn't do that. But anyways, it lasted me about 3 days, 3-4 days, you know, without any interference, or up until there was interference. But anyways, I'm talking too much, and my mama might listen to this and think, well, why was somebody pulling on your hair? Anyways, moving along. So yep, wrap. We're getting to the top now, and then what you'll see me do is take a little piece once I get to the very top and use that to act as like the little wraparound bit right here, right there. This is the part that's going to conceal your ponytail. So I just combed that to make sure it was smooth, went in with some got-to-be glue spray or free spray, and then wrapped that around and sprayed it to hold it in place. You can use a bobby pin again, but I don't like too much tension on my hair. Bobby pins can kind of dig at your scalp. So yeah. And then once I had finished doing that, I then combed the ponytail because it's looking a little jagged right there. It's looking a little crazy, and began to straighten it. But you'll literally see that in the next few steps. Oh, looks like I missed a step. So I actually went in with some scissors and just trimmed a little bit of the ends off. I wanted it to be full but a little bit shorter. Sometimes, you know, hair, it can thin out towards the bottom, so I just got rid of that, and I cut in an upwards motion so that it doesn't give me a very harsh, blunt cut. After I finished doing that, taking off some inches, I then layered the ponytail, so at the side, so that when I curl it and the curls fall, they fall kind of nicely. I don't know how to describe it, but it just gives it a bit more of a layered look rather than all the curls being at the same length and it's like I'm carrying a little basket. Anyways, I'm now going in with the straighteners, literally just curling the hair because I can't curl with curlers. And I'm just gonna do that on each section of the hair until it's all curled. Now that my hair is all curled, I'm just running my hands, well, fingers through it, you know, just propping it up a little bit, doing my edges, making sure that they're straight. Remember, we took them out earlier, so we're not having to break our hair trying to break them out. See what I did there? And then once I'm done with that, I'm like, yeah, I'm feeling this. This is cute. You know, I give you a little 1 2 1 2, and that's it, really. So we're just gonna move on to the next scene. And yeah. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, give it a thumbs up. It's not my usual setup, but you know, why not try something a little different? It was super easy, and this is gonna last me a little while. So shout out to Miracle Watts and all the other YouTubers. Tatiana Wesco. I'll leave her at down below. I really hope I didn't get her YouTube name wrong. But yeah, this hairstyle is so cute. I'm loving it. Anyways,